Okay, mga kaibigan, umpisa po ito ng fourth quarter. Dalawa lang ito ng Alaska Milk at Ginebra San Miguel. Lamang ng 4 ang Alaska dito po sa Game 5. Ito yung last play ni Johnny Abarrientos. Nakawala po kay Derek Rucker. And Johnny Abarrientos capping an 11-0 run by Alaska Milk para po tapusin ang third quarter.
Partner, time and time again, nakaka-penetrate ang Alaska. At yung gitna ng Ginebra San Miguel, yung depensa nila, wide open. Especially when Alaska operates that spread offense. When they play the spread offense, yung dalawang malalaki ng Ginebra San Miguel have to play outside.
Namatara, jump ball ang tawag ni referee Rivera. Nagre-reklamo yung mga taga-Alaska. Sabi, dapat foul daw kay EJ File. At ang ating pong ito, replay, makikita ninyo, umiwas si Kevin Ramos. Nakakuha ni, ayun.
Sumabit yung kamay.
Oh.
But I think previous to that, nagkaroon na yata ng decision ng referee to call a jump.
Bong Hawkins with the tap. Kakuha ni George Lastimosa. Ayun, dinaan sa bilis ni Bong Hawkins. Alam niya, hindi niya kaya sa laki.
Good timing on the part of Bong Hawkins. Mark of a veteran.
73-69, Bong Hawkins nakawala. Good fake. Good shot. Bong Hawkins. At lamang ng 6 mga Alaska Milk dito po sa unang minuto. Hey! Barrientos with a steal off the inbounds play. The most valuable player for 1996, Johnny Barrientos. At narito ngayon si Jojo Lastimosa sa loob. Nabitawan ang bola.
Derek Rucker wants to handle the ball. He's the leader on the floor. But Jeffrey Carriazo doing a good defensive job on Rucker. Carriazo almost taking Rucker out of the ball game here in the third period and entering the fourth.
Lamang ng 6 ang Alaska at 75-69. May tulak si Kevin Ramos on Marlo Aquino. Tatawagan siya ng foul. That'll be the second personal foul on Kevin Ramos. Unang team foul ng Alaska dito po sa fourth quarter. At palakpakan po yung mga taga-Alaska. Jojo Lastimosa is given some rest by Jeffrey Carriazo.
A lot of time left. 10:30. We are in the fourth.
Marami pang maaaring mangyari dito. Kanito. Ito si Marlo Aquino. Puposto lamang kay Kevin Ramos. Baldavid is open! Masyado malakas. Rebound play. Noli Locsin with a power rebound. Dalabas kay Derek Rucker. Rucker hinahabol ni Carriazo. Rucker gets away! Yes!
Partner, off-balance shot by Derek Rucker. Naipasok pa niya yung tira niya.
At 4 na lang ang lamang ng Alaska at 75-71. 10 minutes and 3 seconds to go sa larong ito. John Chambers pumaposte lamang kay Noli Locsin. Abarrientos at the baseline. Medyo malakas. EJ File with the rebound. Ito na si Rucker. Nakita si Marlo Aquino!
Ang ganda naman ang pasa. Yes!
Eksakto ang pasa.
Transition attack. And it's Marlo Aquino on the finish, the skyscraper.
Just a 2-point lead now by Alaska Milk at 75-73. 9.5 minutes to go. Johnny Abarrientos. Binigay kay Bong Hawkins. Jeffrey Carriazo lamang kay Derek Rucker. Carriazo. Nagkukulyahan si Chambers at Rucker. Chambers, hey! 24-second shot clock goes off. At ito nakikita niyo yung pasa. Yung eksaktong pasa. Tamang-tama lang.
Nice.
Isa pang angle,
Oo. Not exactly an alley-oop play, pero pwede na rin, ano ha?
Oo, basta eksakto yun
because that ball was not over the rim when Marlo Aquino took it straight into the hole.
Noli Locsin. Labas kay Rucker. Marlo Aquino, tutira. Uy, not his shot.
Anong tira yun? Medyo...
Well, meron pang 4 seconds on the shot clock. Medyo nagpanik lang yata si Marlo doon.
Not the man to take a shot from the outside.
Tira mo ito,
Ang layo ng tira.
75-73. Alaska with a 2-point lead. Baldavid, hinarangan si Johnny Abarrientos. At yan unang team foul pa lamang yan ang Ginebra San Miguel dito sa fourth quarter. At una rin na personal foul ni Baldavid sa larong ito. Good evening, Philippines. For Vintage Sports, this is Ed Pixon together with Kenito Henson and this exciting game. Game number 5 of the best of 7 championship series between Alaska Milk and Ginebra San Miguel. Alaska enjoying a 3-1 lead in the series and a 2-point lead in the game.
Well, nakita natin kanina yung graphic. 6 turnovers by Ginebra San Miguel in the third period.
Yep.
And a nice steal
Johnny Abarientos again on the ball. Bong Hawkins!
A beautiful
Hawkins.
dish by Johnny Abarientos.
And Hawkins with 16 points in the game.
Partner, si Johnny Abarientos asserting his presence here in the fourth
Oh,
period.
yes.
He is taking charge for Alaska. He wants the championship tonight.
Lamang ng apat ang Alaska, 77-73. 8 minutes and 7 seconds to go. Derek Rucker. Lamang kay Jeffrey Cariaso. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Rucker offline. And a 24-second violation hits Ginebra San Miguel once again.
Under time pressure yung Ginebra.
Makailang beses nang inaabot ng last minute itong Ginebra San Miguel.
Well, Rocker is bothered by the defense of Jeffrey Cariaso. And in a situation where he has to play with three big men, Aquino, File, and Aquino, he cannot expect too much mobility and movement from his teammates.
Ang galing naman talaga ito si Johnny Abarientos.